Somewhere beneath this endless green, life stirs before the world wakes. Asia's jungles, ancient, vast, and full of secrets.
Begins the same way it has for millions of years, with water, with light, with life.
Asia is home to the oldest rainforests on Earth. These jungles have existed for over 130 million years.
From the Mekong to the Ganges, Asia's rivers are the lifeblood of its jungles, and every creature within them.
The Bengal tiger, the apex predator of Asia's jungle. Patient, invisible, inevitable. In a single explosive second, a lifetime of patience becomes pure, unstoppable force. High above the forest floor, the clouded leopard rules a kingdom few humans have ever witnessed.
Some predators do not chase. They simply wait. The crocodile has used this strategy for 200 million years.
The orangutan shares 97% of our DNA. When you look into their eyes, the distance between us disappears.
Asia's wetlands support more species of birds than any other region on the planet. A sky full of life.
When the sun sets, a second jungle awakens. One most humans will never see.
Six months of dry season ends in a single moment. The monsoon is coming, and the jungle knows it.
Begins. In minutes, the jungle transforms. Rivers form where there was dry ground, and life explodes in response. After the storm, the jungle does not recover. It was never broken. This is simply how it breathes.
The monsoon delivers 2 billion tons of water to Asia's jungles each year. It is the pulse of an entire continent.
The canopy is another world entirely, sunlit, loud, and bursting with life that never touches the ground.
Gibbons are the acrobats of the canopy, and their singing echoes through the jungle for up to 2 miles. A flower with no leaves, no stem, no roots. It exists only to bloom, to lure, and to reproduce.
Every plant in the jungle is fighting the same silent war. For light, for water, for space to exist.
For thousands of years, indigenous peoples have lived inside these jungles. Not beside them, inside them.
But these jungles are disappearing. Asia has lost over 40% of its original forest cover in the last century.
But across Asia, thousands of people are fighting back. One animal, one acre, one forest at a time. Some sights in these jungles have no words. They can only be witnessed. These forests have watched the stars spin overhead for longer than our species has existed on this earth. And every morning, without fail, the jungle wakes again, alive, resilient, ancient beyond understanding.
Asia's jungles cover less than 3% of the Earth's surface, yet they contain over 50% of all species on this planet.
Every species, every sound, every drop of rain, every beam of light, all of it irreplaceable. Less than 4,000 wild tigers remain on Earth. Each one is a reminder of what we stand to lose. They carry knowledge the world cannot afford to lose. Medicine plants, ecological wisdom, and the language of the forest.
The jungles of Asia do not need us. But we, and every living thing on this planet, need them.
These jungles were here long before us. With care, they will be here long after.